Cruising new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
It's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be a different one for me. You know, normally your girl comes through with the hair, okay? Normally that is the case, but I do also wear contacts because I am blind as a bat, honey, okay? And I did have a company want to sponsor me with contacts. Maybe they recognize that your girl be wearing the contacts. Before we get into this video, though, I want to say, if you're not already subscribed, honey, click that subscribe button. It is free 99. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. Also, hit that like button, hitting the like button or even the dislike button. Hitting those buttons does help me get seen on YouTube. So make sure you hit the like button or whatever, girl. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm helping Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. Now let's get into this video. Okay, so this video is sponsored by JUST4KIRA. I don't know if it's Kyra or Kira. I kind of alternate how I say it in my head, but I will have like the word somewhere on the screen so you guys can see it. They did send me some contacts, okay? I am blind, honey, okay? I cannot see. I have not been able to see since I think I started wearing glasses in the 5th grade. And I started wearing contacts in like the 7th grade, and I have not gone back, okay? I need them, okay? I do want to say that I always wear colored contacts. I had a issue with clear contacts when I was about in the 7th or 8th grade, where my contacts split. It was clear, and I couldn't find it. Honey, after that, I was like, I'll never wear clear contacts again. And I have not, okay? So if you're somebody that's like completely against colored contacts and you like, well, honey, you know, maybe this video ain't for you, girl, okay? This video is for the people that do, you know, wear colored contacts. I do wear colored contacts. I love my colored contacts. I love my eyes, my regular eyes, but, yeah, I obviously like to switch things up, okay? And these colored contacts give me that, okay? On top of that, if it splits in my eye, I can find it, okay? But anyways, y'all, let's get into this video. So they gave me the option of choosing whatever colors that I wanted. Okay, I do tend to gravitate more so towards browns. I do love brown contacts, and that is typically the color that I wear, but I wanted to have basically every color. So I did get more brown than anything else, but I did also want to try their greens and their grays. I didn't do the blues. I think they have blues, but I knew I wasn't probably gonna wear blue contacts, honey. That just that really isn't my swag, girl. But I did get 3 grays. No, I got 2 grays, 3 browns, and 1 green. And I do have on the green contacts right now. Now, I do want to say these contacts are really, really comfortable. Like, I've been wearing contacts for a long time, and I've had some colored contacts that just weren't comfortable. They were really irritating my eyes. I have literally sat here and tried on 6 pairs of contacts, and my eyes, as you can see, are not red. Okay, they're not red. Like this, I filmed the portion that you guys are gonna see, you know, like the B-roll. I filmed that prior to this video, and as you guys can see, my eyes are not red. So these contacts are really, really comfortable. They're really like thin. They feel good on my eyes. I have no issues with these contacts. I think they're really, really nice. So anyways, I'm just gonna kind of go through the list. The color that I have on right now are the Luna Green, and I honestly wasn't sure how I would feel about green contacts. Like, I used to wear more bold colors. Like, my thing used to be with contacts was I didn't want nothing natural. Okay, I didn't need people to think they were my eyes. Like, I wanted nothing natural. But I have recently really started liking more natural looking stuff. You know, maybe it's just coming with the age, honey. But these green, I have these on right now, and I'm glad that I chose these last, because I said whatever contacts I put in last, those are going to be my contacts for the day. And these are the ones that I put in last, and I really like them. I think they look really nice. Do they look natural? I think browns always look more natural than any other color for me. But I think these look really, really nice. Like, I don't think they're shocking whatsoever. I just think they look really nice. So I am definitely feeling the Luna Green. I do want to go ahead and show you guys the casing that these contacts come in. Now, the name on this is from my label maker, okay? I am Bear Virgo, okay? But so disregard that, but it does come with these little contact cases, and it came with these tweezer-like things, you know, that you can grip the contacts with. And it also came with like a little suction type thing, and I think maybe you can put contacts in with these. I am not 100% sure. I've been wearing contacts so long that I didn't have to utilize any of those things, but I thought they were really nice, and I love the casing. So yeah, I did want to say that. So yeah, these are the Luna Green ones. Okay, so the next one the next ones are the Crystal Brown, and the Crystal Brown ones, I had actually worn those out because I was gonna do this video a few days ago, and I love them. I love how now these contacts look really, really, really natural. I love these contacts. I am obsessed with these contacts, and my husband really liked them, and I think because he also wears contacts, and he doesn't like to wear the clear ones either, but he does prefer more natural looking contacts than I do. But yeah, these are the Crystal Brown are probably my favorite. I think they look really, 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 really nice. Okay, moving right along. The next contacts are the Cynthia. Before I even get into it, y'all, these contacts are called Sanita. I call them Cynthia, and it's two different ones that start with that name, and I'm gonna call them both Cynthia, but child is Sanita. Okay, so team my bad. Carry on. Browns. Now, honey, Cynthia was very shocking. Cynthia was shocking to me because I think I didn't expect, because it was brown, I didn't expect them to look like they looked. They were just really, really shocking to me. They're not really my favorite because, like I said, I'm not really going for that shock factor anymore. But I mean, nevertheless, I think they're a look for somebody, even though they're not necessarily a look for me. I still think they were still really, really comfortable, and despite them looking so shocking, I mean, they were really comfortable contacts. So depending on what you're going for, if you're going for more of a shock factor, then honey, she may be your girl. Okay. She may be your girl. Okay, so moving right along, we're going to get into the Gem Brown, and I really like the Gem Brown contacts. I thought they looked really, really nice. They didn't look shocking. They looked like I thought they would look. So I really was feeling the Gem Brown contacts. If you're looking for more of a natural look, they're not as natural as the Crystal Brown, but they still kind of give you more of a natural appearance. I thought they were really, really nice. Yeah, I have no issues with them. I like those. So yeah. Ooh. Anyways, the next ones that I had on were the Crystal Gray. I can't remember between the Crystal Gray and the Cynthia Gray, but one was really, really hecka shocking. Okay, to me, both the grays were pretty out there. I used to really love gray contacts, and these days I am not really feeling them as much as I used to, but I still think that they were cute. I think the Crystal Gray was not as shocking as the Cynthia Gray. And now that I've mentioned the Cynthia Gray, honey, let's just get into Cynthia, girl. Cynthia was a lot, okay? She made me feel like a husky. So yeah, the Cynthia Gray made me feel like a whole husky. Now, I could be getting it too confused, but I don't think I am. Those contacts had your girl looking a little crazy, okay? But like I said, some people are really going for that more dramatic look. I'm just not these days, but I used to. So I feel like on this site, JUST4KIRA, JUST4KIRA, I feel like on this site they have something for everybody, and I really love that about these contacts. They have a really wide range of colors, and another thing is it can be really hard to find contacts that show up so shocking on really dark eyes. I have really, really, really dark eyes, and that is always a plus with certain contacts. I've been somebody that's been wearing contacts for a very, very long time, and especially if you're looking for something different, a different appearance. You guys know your girl like to give Reggie a different woman, honey, every other night, girl. So if you're looking for something like that, it's really, really nice to easily change your appearance with colored contacts. And the biggest plus is that they're comfortable, honey. Okay, so I want to say once again, shout out to JUST4KIRA. I really, really love these contacts. I am glad that they sent them to me. They have on their site or on the thing that these contacts last for 12 months, if I'm not mistaken. Let me go on the site just so I can make sure I'm telling you right. Okay, so on their site, they do have 12 months of wear. If you're somebody that's been wearing contacts for a very long time, I have been wearing contacts for a really, really long time. If you are somebody like that, usually contacts last like a month. Some you can find for 3 months. And the most I've seen, I think, is 6 months. But I've never had contacts that said that they last for 12 months. So I don't know, girl. That's what they got on here. I don't know if that's the case, but that's what they have on the site. If so, that is really, really awesome. So yeah, and let me just make sure, like, the pricing. And the pricing is really good. And they have coupons on here. You can buy 2, get 1 free, buy 3, get 2 free, buy 4, get 3 free. So they have a lot of specials and discounts and all that good stuff, and the contacts in itself are really, really affordable. So I am definitely feeling these contacts. You will be seeing me in these colors, honey, because I am feeling them. So once again, shout out to you, JUST4KIRA, girl. If I'm saying it wrong, just tell me, girl. I'm so sorry about it. But yeah, I'm feeling it. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what was your favorite colors on me. Let me know down below in the comments. And if you are interested in these contacts, I will have a direct link to them down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to JUST4KIRA for sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate you. And yeah, girl, we're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I am Hell to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning.